Alright, so today I'll be showing you the best Rig Zero guard gun setup that I have. It's a carbine, m4a1. For some reason, with this specific setup, makes it like a guard gun or something. It reloads fast, it kills fast. 34 down. Okay, yeah. Immediately died. Nice. But yeah, this gun is meant for rushing, like aggressive play style. I play a bit aggressive, so okay, dude. Can you stop camping? Play a bit aggressive, so that's why I made this setup. People would tell me to use full stock, like that or something. Armor piercing. You can use armor piercing if you want, I guess. But I would rather use sharp, like 1.7 reload time. It has a 1.25 penetration stats, which is not good, but not bad as well. It's okay. Like a stock AK is like 1.4 penetration stats, if I remember, if I got it right. But yeah, this thing is not too bad. Okay, the setup is any side you want, but I use OKP7, Kosako side, or Delta side. Delta side. For the barrel, use T-brake, stubby grip, blue razor, and sharps. Or you can use full stock and armor piercing. Yeah, that's pretty much it.